第37页篇章结构，原来动物都不爱白吃的午餐，喵星人除外。
Contra-Freeloading, the work for food phenomenon in nature. You may be surprised to learn that some animals often prefer to work for their food rather than simply be given it, even when they have the option. This fascinating behavioral phenomenon is known as contra-freeloading. The term was coined in 1963 by animal psychologist Glenn Jensen after he observed rats in an experiment. These rats chose to perform a task to acquire food instead of eating from a freely available bowl. Various other species have exhibited this behavior, including birds, fish, and primates. This suggests that there's an intrinsic motivation to make an effort in order to be rewarded. Researchers have gained valuable insights into animal behavior and motivation through experiments on contra-freeloading. Jensen's original study involved presenting rats with two choices, freely accessible food and food obtainable by pressing a pedal. The rats usually chose the second option, demonstrating a preference for working for their food. Further experiments across different species and situations led researchers to conclude that contra-freeloading might serve a purpose beyond the immediate reward. For example, the effort to get the food may provide mental stimulation or information about other potential food sources. However, this behavior does not apply universally to all animals. Cats, for instance, typically prefer easily available food over food that requires effort to obtain. This exception led to various hypotheses. One possibility is that experiments on contra-freeloading may not align with the natural hunting behaviors of cats, as the tasks they are required to perform may not stimulate their innate hunting instincts. Domestication may also have influenced their motivational systems, making them different from those of other animals. Contra-freeloading is a good example of how the value of a reward is not solely based on its ease of access. It's also closely linked to the intrinsic satisfaction that comes from the effort involved in achieving it.